Lesson 19.4, page 989, 1 through 21. A bag contains 3 blue marbles, 5 red marbles, and 4 green marbles. You choose one without looking. What is the probability that it is red or green? Well, let's see. How many red marbles are there? Red marbles, there's 5. How many green marbles? Green, there are 4. So that's a total of 9. So N of, we'll say A or B would be 5 plus 4, which equals 9. And the number in the sample space is, well, 3 and 5 is 8 and 4, that's 12. So the probability, that's terrible right there, probability of A or B, red or green, would be 9 over 12, or 3/4. Number 2, a numbered, I can't really say that, ISO, whatever, has 20 sides numbered 1 through 20. What is the probability of a roll? What is the probability that the result of a roll is a number less than 4 or greater than 11? Well, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 11, 12, so we'll say the number of A is 4, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The number of B would be 10. Is that right? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or greater than 11. Let's take one of those off. So that would be 12. Less than 4, we got to take one of those off. There's only 3. Okay. Less than and greater than. So we got 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 9 for the number of B. The number in the sample space is going to be 20. So the probability of A or B would be, well, the probability of, that would be the probability of A plus the probability of B. Let's see, A, that would be 3 over 20, and the probability of B would be 9 over 20. And that's going to give you 12 over 20. And I think 4 goes into 12 3 times and 25 times. So that would be the probability. Number 3. A bag contains 26 tiles, each with a different letter of the alphabet written on it. You choose a tile without looking. What is the probability that you choose a vowel, A, E, I, O, U, or a letter in the word geometry? Okay. Well, let's see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's N of A, N of A is 5. Geometry, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. N of B is 8. Now let's look. E, and then, so that's, we'll just count that once, so that's going to take 2 out of it. No I's, O's. Well, there's an O here, so let's take that one out. So we're taking 3 out. In A intersection B, that's going to be 3, right? 5 and 8 is 13 plus 3 is, let's see. So how we're going to do this? In A or B is going to be 5 plus 8 minus 3. That gives us 10. And then the number in the sample space is 26. So what are we looking at? Probability of A or B is going to be 5 over 20 plus 8 over 20 minus 3 over 20. And that's going to give you 10 over 20, which is, that's 26. That's 26. And that's 26. 10 over 26. That's 5 over 13. You roll 2 number cubes at the same time. Each cube has sides numbered 1 through 6. What is the probability that the sum of the numbers rolled is even or greater than 9? Even or greater than 9. It says, hit, create or fill out a probability chart. Well, let's do that. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1 plus 1 is 2. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then here 2 and 1 is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 and 1 is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So even or greater than 9. So we're looking, we got 9, 9, 10, 9, 10, 11, 9, 10, 11, 12. The number of possibles, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. And in total, that's 36. Number sample is 36. Even or greater than 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Over 36. What is the probability? The sum of the numbers rolled is even or greater than 9. All right. So we have the probability that x greater than or equal to 9, and that would give you 10 over 36. 2 goes in that 5, 2 goes in that 18. All righty, let's check out number 5. The table shows the data for car insurance quotes for 125 drivers, okay, made by an insurance company in 1 week. All right, let's see what we got here. The driver is an adult. Well, how many adults are there? There's a total of 97. So we have 97 over 125. Probability of an adult would be 97 over 125. The driver is a teen with 0 or 1 accidents. 0 accidents is 15. 1 accident is 4. I get a total of 19 over 125. The driver is a teen. Well, the total number of teens is 28. So we got 28, and the total number of drivers is 125. The driver has 2 plus accidents. Well, look over here, we got 21, so we got 21 over 125. And then number 9, let's see if we got number 9 up there. The driver is a teen with 2 plus accidents. That's right there. And that's going to be 9 over 125. What about number 10? The driver is a teen or a driver with 2 plus accidents. The driver is a teen or a driver with 2 plus accidents. Let's see, let's go back. Teen, there are 28 teens, right? So we'll leave it right there. We got 28 over 125. And the drivers, I'm down here, 28 over 125. Or a driver with 2 plus accidents. Well, how many drivers with 2 plus accidents? There's 21. So plus 21 over 125. Now, were there any that were both? Yes. You got 9 here. That's a teen and 2 plus accidents. So we can't count that twice. So let's subtract that out. All right. And let's see. 28 plus 21 minus 9 is 40. So we have 40 over 125. And let's see, 5 will go in that 8 times, and they'll go in that 25 times. And there we go. Use the following information for exercise 11 through 16. The table shown shows the results of a customer satisfaction survey for a cellular service provider by the location of the customer. In the survey, customers were asked whether they would recommend a plan with the provider to a friend. So what do we got here? Arlington, Towson, Parkville, total. And I might have to take a picture of that. We got our picture. And then I guess on the next page here. There we go. One of the customers that surveyed was chosen at random. Find the probability of each event. Okay. The customer was from Towson and said no. So let's go back to our chart. Towson is here and said no, that's 10. And there was a total of 150. So we're going to have 10 over 150. That's like 1 over 15. Number 12, the customer was from Parkville. And no other qualification, just from Parkville, we got 47. So here we're going to have 47 over 150. I don't think that reduces. Number 13, the customer said yes. So let's go here. How many customers said yes? A total of 116. So we got 116 over 150. And 2 goes in 100, that's 58 and 75. 58 over 75. The customer was from Parkville and said yes. Parkville is this column. Yes is that row. We got a total of 41. So that would be 41 over 150. The customer was from Parkville or said yes. Oh, that's a little tricky. So let's go. The customer was from Parkville. That's 47. So that's 47 over 150. Or said yes. And we had a total of 116 that said yes. Plus 116. Now, we counted everybody in Parkville here, but so we're going to need to take out the ones that were from Parkville and said yes. So we're going to need to take this out, minus 41. Minus 41 over 150. So we got 47 plus 116 minus 41. 122. Number 16. Explain why you cannot use the rule probability of A or B equals the probability of A plus B in exercise 15. Okay, and if you'll remember in your notes, there was a term about mutually exclusive. All right, and that Parkville or said yes was not mutually exclusive. In other words, somebody from Parkville could have said yes. So you had to take out the ones from Parksville that did say yes. And that's why. Okay. Use the following information for exercises 17 through 21. Roberto is the owner of a car dealership. He is assessing the success rate of his top 3 salespeople in order to offer one of them a promotion. Over 2 months, for each attempted sale, he records whether the salesperson made a successful sale or not. The results are shown in the chart. Okay. So let's roll this up a little bit. Find the probability that the sale was one of Becky's or Raul's successful sales. All right, so in A, B, and that's going to be N of A plus the number of B. Well, what's the number of A? Becky had 6 successful, so we're going to have 6. Raul had 4 successful, so that's going to be plus 4 for a total of 10. All right, and the total number is here at 36. The total in the sample space is 36. So we're going to have the probability of A union B is going to be 10 over 36, which is 5 over 18. All right, let's try number 18. Number 18. Find the probability that the sale was one of a unsuccessful sale or one of Raul's successful sales. Okay. We're going to let y'all do 18, 19, 20, and 21. And that's 4 problems, okay? Great job, folks, and we will see you soon, tomorrow maybe.